This MCQ is from the chapter EMI and AC circuit. It is related to transformer. A 12 volt 60 watt lamp is connected to a secondary of a step down transformer. Okay sir, this is a step down transformer जो voltage को decrease करने वाला है, whose primary is connected to AC mains of 220 volt. Assuming the transformer to be ideal, we have to assume it is 100% efficient, right? What is the current of the primary winding? In fact, what is the current in the primary winding? IP is equals to question mark, students. EMF for secondary ES is given as 12 volt. Power for primary is equals to power for secondary is equals to 60 watt. आपने देखा बेटा, मैं दोनों पावर को इक्वल क्यों कंसिडर कर पा रहा हूँ? बिकॉज दिस ट्रांसफॉर्मर इज एन आइडियल ट्रांसफॉर्मर. दैट मीन्स वी हैव टू कंसिडर देयर इज नो लॉस ऑफ एनर्जी. दैट मीन्स इनपुट पावर विल बी इक्वल टू आउटपुट पावर. यस सर. एंड ये जो 220 वोल्ट आपको दिख रहा है स्टूडेंट, दिस इज EMF फॉर प्राइमरी वाइंडिंग. EP इज 220 वोल्ट. इज दैट फाइन विथ यू? स्टूडेंट्स, कैन आई से पावर फॉर सेकेंडरी can be considered as EMF multiplied by current? Obvious. Secondary. Now what is power for secondary? It is 60 watt. That is equals to EMF for secondary is 12 volt multiplied by IS. IS is current through secondary. IS का फॉर्मूला होगा स्टूडेंट्स फिर 60 by 12 which is 5 ampere. Current for secondary winding is 5 ampere. You understand students? Now students, I am going to use turns ratio related formula. NS divided by NP is equals to EMF of secondary divided by EMF for primary is equals to current for primary divided by current for secondary. करेक्ट है? सो आप बस इन दोनों रेशियो को देखते रहिए एंड यू टेल मी व्हाट कैन बी द फॉर्मूला प्रिपेयर्ड फॉर IP. IP will be ES divided by EP multiplied by IS. So students, current for primary IP will be ES. EMF for secondary students 12 volt, it is given to you, divided by EMF for primary is this 220 volt into IS. current for secondary हम recently find कर चुके हैं sir, which is 5 ampere. So now this is IP is equals to 2 times of 6, 2 times of 11 is 22. फिर एक 0 हम consider कर लेंगे. Yes, 5 times of 1 is 5 and 5 times of 22 is 110. So now IP is 6 divided by 22 which is 2 times of 3, 2 times of 11. This is 3 by 11 ampere. This should be students 0.3 divided by 11 will give you 0.27 ampere. So current for primary IP will be equals to 0.27 ampere and the answer key should be 4. Okay.